let me talk about the different population interactions. Firstly, we have predation. What is predation? In this, one species is going to be benefited, but another is affected. Affected. For example, tiger and deer. Tiger benefited, here deer is going to be affected because it kills deer. And then we have competition. In this, both species compete each other for a specific resources. In this, both of them are going to be affected, negative. For example, Abingdon tortoise and then goat. In this, both of them are competing for grass. In this, for extended period of time, if they compete each other, then one is going to be eliminated. That is called competitive exclusion principle by Gauss. And then we have parasitism. In this parasitism, one is benefited, another one is affected. These parasites does not produce their own food. They are dependent on the host. There are two types. One is ectoparasites and then another one is endoparasites. Ectoparasites live inside. Ectoparasites live on the surface of a species. For example, tick and dog. Here we have mosquito diseases like malaria. In this, specifically parasites introduced into the body. This is anaerobic, this is aerobic, requires oxygen. And then we have symbiotic interaction. Means both of them are benefited. For example, lichens. In this, algae and fungi both are benefited. Here blue-green algae produce food. This fungi extracts minerals and water from the surrounding. Then both of them are benefited. And then another one is mycorrhiza, interaction between fungi and higher plants. And then the fifth one. Going on to fifth one, I think I am going to discuss about another example: fig tree and wasp. Fig tree and wasp. Wasp is going to have a Y position in this fig tree. Here, this will propagate the seeds of this tree. And then the fifth one is commensalism. In this, one is benefited, another one is neither benefited nor affected. For example, egret and cow. While cow grazing the grass on the ground, it will result in the expose of microbes. These microbes are catched by this egret. And then another example is sea anemone and clownfish. Clownfish is protected by this sea anemone tentacles. This neither benefited nor affected, but this is benefited. And then the sixth one, we have amensalism, antibiosis. In this, one is affected, another one is neither benefited nor affected. For example, penicillin of atom produced by that bacteria. This inhibit the growth of other bacteria. And then we have streptomycin also produced by the bacteria itself.